Hi there, this is Denise Getz. I'm trying to do my final project video to show you what has been done. And this is my application here. The first thing that I will show you is that I'll prove to you that the first name cookie is present after a person registers and prior to the client logging in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to account. And I'm gonna type in Santa. Actually, this is not where I wanna be. I wanna register because I deleted him. Okay, so I register Santa. And if I go in here and I go into this cookie thing, I can view my cookie information. And we're gonna find first name cookie of Santa, okay? So I'll go back and then I'm not logged in, so I do need to log in. Excuse me. So I'll just log in with that Santa. Well, it's not in my choices, so Santa, there we go. And then we're gonna log in. So Santa Claus is now logged in. Let's look at the cookie situation now. So there's no Santa one, no first name, no first name. And so, oops, I'm going too fast. And there aren't any for Santa Claus. So the one prior, it definitely was there, but it's not here now. So that's that. The logged in username as part of the welcome message is visible to all views. So welcome Santa's here. You go to home, go to Canon. It's definitely going to remain there because this is in the header. And the header is being used, the same piece is common code for every part of it. So it's just not going to be different. There's just no possible way. So the logged in welcome message is removed from all views after logout. Okay, I can do that in a second. The login welcome message is clickable to deliver the admin view. Let's try and do that one first. Oops, Santa. And so Santa Claus has his, it takes him to the admin page. He hasn't, since we just created him, he doesn't have any reviews or anything, but that's okay. And then the login welcome message is removed from all views after the logout. So I'm gonna log out and you'll see Santa, you can't see welcome Santa anymore because nobody's logged in. So let's go on and log in as myself, I guess. Okay, so now I'm logged in, takes me to the admin view. And you can see I have a few reviews that I've done. And I missed doing 6. I should have done 6 while I was, but I'll go back to that. So the product review. All right, so let's just do this. I can go, I'll prove, let's do this. Let me just do this giant chat. I'm gonna add a review for that. I already have a couple, or well, one's by my dog and the other one is by me. I'll just say, love this trap. Okay, love this trap. Submit. And and Love This Trap shows up here. I just wrote it on December 17th, which is the time or the day that I am actually recording it, as you can see right here. And so I can create that, but say I were to log out and try and create a review for, well, let's just do the same trap thing. So you can see the reviews, but you have to log in order to leave a review. Okay, so if you click this, it'll take you to the login page that you can go ahead and do that. So okay, there we go. And then so let's go back to, well, let's just, wait, did I sign in? I must have had a bad password. What am I doing? Oh, this has gotten me before. Trust me, it has really gotten me. There we go. So as I sign in, it shows me all the reviews in which I have done. Another thing I could do is like, say I was here, then I could click here and it would bring me right there, bring me right back to the admin page. And then I can actually edit my review. Maybe I want to say, love this trap. It's the best one I have had. I don't know, supposed to say that. So you can just update the review and now we'll just say, love this trap. It's the best one I've had. So isn't that fabulous? That actually took place. And then let's try and just go to the delete. Let's just delete it. Let's say, you know what, I don't really feel like leaving that, and just delete it. And so now it's gone. My giant mousetrap thing is gone. So I think I've done everything except for, this is the admin page. So we can just quickly do tools and then do the CSS. The CSS will be the same for all, considering I'm using the same file for all. And so it's working just fine. And then let's just do the HTML for this admin page. Ta-da, that's fine. And let's go to the delete view. Doesn't matter, I'll just go here. We'll just look at it. We won't necessarily delete anything, but we're gonna check the HTML for that. There you go, everything is fine. And then let's go to, let's just go back, we'll go to edit. And let's just check the HTML for that. Checking, everything's good. And then, so let's go back this way because I didn't put a button on there. I should have done that, but I didn't. And then product detail. So let's go to, since we were just on the trap, let's just go to the trap. So let's just check the HTML for this one as well. And everything's good. So I believe I have checked everything on this testing list. And maybe repeated a few steps, I'm sorry. I'm so grateful to have been in this class. It has been so fun putting together an application and getting to see so many different aspects of it. I know there's a lot more. I mean, I know there's a lot more that can be learned, but just like interacting with you know, the database and connecting it to you know, the application and having dynamic code and all the different things that we learned, it was just fabulous. It's just the coolest thing ever. And so I'm really grateful, and I'm kind of sad that the class is ending, but believe me, at some points I felt like this semester would never end because I've just kind of made myself do a lot of things this semester that besides school, and so it just seemed to drag on, but at points. But now that it's ending, I'm kind of sad that I wish that it wouldn't end, because I know that there's so much to learn, and so much more to learn, and I had the learning part of it was so fun. So I thank you, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and all the best. And thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.